Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of the Spark Bays, as the kiddo told me. This is Super Hydronade. I'm butchering his name. It's one of the brothers. It's the right spin. So yeah. The first part is Hyperion. I'm butchering it, and Super. So yeah. Hydrogen, I'm butchering, probably really butchering it, but yeah. Then Super, then Attack 1, and Exceed, or yeah. So I'm tired. But yeah, let's get into this, shall we? Yeah. Oh yes. A lot more stickers, and that's gonna take me a little bit, so yeah. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Oh, I love this color though. That's a gorgeous color. There we go. It's the same color, so I'm going to just put these two right here. Oh god damn, this thing is big. And it's heavy too. And that's a pretty cool driver too. Oh, that's pretty cool right there. Is up close. Wait, that's backwards. It's probably going to look a lot better with the stickers on. And here's the driver. So let me put this together, then I'll put the stickers on after. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's another solid Beyblade. I love this thing. Yep, attack type. But yeah, let me put the stickers on. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, here's the Beyblade with all the stickers on. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.